Moment of truth, guys. I finally got a sample of Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Curtijan. I didn't get a full bottle. I won this sample. Finally compare it to Ariana Grande's Cloud. See what all the hype is. I thought this smelled good. Nice gourmand, sweet fragrance. Looking at the notes for this, not terribly similar. Kind of a woody base with some florals on top. But people say this is a dupe of this, so let's give them a shot side by side here and see what happens. So, I've never smelled anything else by Francis Curtijan, even like Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male or La Male or any of those. He's famous for creating that, right? Never smelled them. So, this is my first one by him. Let's try it out. Sure, I'll smell more. He's going back to Dior to be their like main perfumer, so that's kind of neat. Oh, that does smell like Ariana Grande Cloud. That smells just like Cloud. Wow. Okay. Interesting. It's a little different. Like, almost more refined and not as cloyingly sweet as that. But otherwise, and it's got like an ambergris note to it, so maybe that's playing part of that sweetness. Let's try out Cloud again. Whoa. Yeah, it's sweeter. It's much sweeter. It's more of a gourmand scent, it's fruitier, but the base of it, everything that makes this, the cloudy portion of Cloud, if you will, that is Baccarat Rouge 540. To a T. That's crazy. I guess if you love Cloud and you want to go for a more refined version, it's a little less girly, a little less childish maybe even. You could go for this Baccarat Rouge 540. But for the price, I think they charge, what, like $45 for Cloud as opposed to $325 or so for a full bottle of the Eau de Parfum 540. Don't bother with that. Crazy. I had no idea they would be that close. People were not lying. So, it's my take on Ariana Grande Cloud versus Maison Francis Curtijan Baccarat Rouge 540. Let me know your thoughts on how similar they smell. If you've made the transition, any of that, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe if you want to see more like this. I really appreciate it. You guys take care.